Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today we're going to go through my June 2020 favourites. Yes, please excuse the dodgy lighting. I've got a window over here and a ring light over here. I am still on the floor in my bedroom against the bed because my bag room is still under construction. But soon it'll be ready and I can share it with you. I'm very excited about it. If you enjoy my videos, please do give them a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, blah 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 blah. If you don't enjoy them, thumbs down. Let me know why. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay kids, June 2020, still in lockdown in the UK, although things have eased very slightly. I was able to have a socially distanced picnic with one of my best friends in a park a few weeks ago. Unfortunately it rained, but the weather is turning nice again now, so maybe we'll meet up for another picnic. I hope things are good wherever you are and you are getting through it like the rock star you are. Okay, so what has been getting me through June 2020? Well, I'm wearing two items at the moment. Yes. One of them you'll be very tired of hearing, but it is me Gucci lipstick. Oh, May Coral satin finish. Absolutely divine. I'm loving it. I'm wearing jogging bottoms and stuff around the house, but I'm slapping a little bit of this on for a little bit of mwah. So yeah, if you're sick of hearing me talk about it, tough. I love it. I'm going to keep talking about it. Some of these items will be new, some I will have had for a while, some I will have shared with you before, some will be new to all of us. The other thing I'm wearing is this beautiful jumpsuit by Somerset by Alice Templey for John Lewis and Partners. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen me wearing this in my stories. I do love a good jumpsuit, however, I am 5'4", I am short of leg and long of torso, so they aren't always my friend. They can be a bit problematic, if you know what I mean. So the fact that I was able to actually put this one without seriously hurting myself was absolutely wonderful. So I thought, I need to buy it. Even better, I got it in the sale, reduced from £99 to £49, and I love it. I love Somerset by Alice Templey as a brand anyway. I think she does the most amazing clothes, and they do generally fit me. Another new item of clothing is, and this isn't going to show up particularly well, but I will insert mod shots, is this pair of wide leg elasticated black jersey kind of material, except not jersey, trousers by Hush, also at John Lewis and Partners. If John Lewis and Partners don't sell it, I don't want to buy it, frankly. And these have been absolutely fantastic for just running around the house in, going out and doing a few little errands. They're a little bit more dressy than joggers. They've got pockets and they've got the most amazing little slits up the side of the leg. These were a bit of a risk for me. I wasn't entirely sure about the fabric, I wasn't entirely sure about the cut, but I am absolutely loving them. I think I wore them for about 4 days straight when I first got them. If you watch my May 2020 favourites video, you will remember I was in love with my Dancing Leopard Genie jumpsuit, especially as the weather had turned really warm and it was just the most normally reserved for beachwear, holiday wear, lounging by the pool. I ordered a second one. Look at those colours! As you can tell, I like subtle and subdued colours. Unfortunately, this arrived just as the weather turned really pants, but it's starting to get warmer now, so sneaking in at the end of June 2020 is my new Genie jumpsuit by Dancing Leopard. I think these are all out of stock now though, soz. item for June 2020 that I'm utterly in love with is something else you would have noticed if you follow me on Instagram, and it is my, excuse language, bag of shit tote camo with neon pink from HON. HON is House of Neon, and this is a lot of fun. When I have had to go out and do a food shop, I always run out of bag space because I'm obviously shopping for a long period of time. I'm not popping out every 3 days, so I thought I would use this as my sort of handbag and extra shopping carrier. It's a little bit floppy at the moment, so I have played around with the Neverfull GM bag organiser I have from Handbag Angels. It's a little bit too wide for the bottom. This is quite slim. It's a little bit too wide for the bottom, but I'm sure they will have a bag organiser that will fit this, and if not, they can make me one custom made. So I'm going to check out one of those. I do love this tote bag and this company, actually, what they do, what they make, a lot. So I have actually ordered another tote for myself, and you may see something else from them in the future. Secret squirrels. If you're not entirely new to my channel, you will be aware that I have recently been enjoying my Jo Malone fragrances. Now, I have decided to give them a little bit of a rest. I have been going through my Louis Vuitton sample collection. I've ended up with quite a few. I think some of them are all the same, but I'm trying some of those out. However, if I don't want a heavy perfumey flavour for the day, I go to my Clarins, I have no idea how you pronounce this, Dynamisante, I don't know. It's lovely, it's fresh, it's quite herby, and yeah, so this is lovely for a really good spritz. This comes in a little spray bottle, and because I love it so much, I buy it in bulk. This is a 500ml bottle, and it comes with a little poury thing so I can refill my spray one. Hurrah! Now, as you can imagine, my social life, along with everybody else's, has been a little bit quiet of late. So what have I been using my Louis Vuitton agenda for? Mostly it's been used for tracking any online orders. We've had a few family birthdays and some friends' birthdays and things. So I've written in here things like when we've ordered something from, like my tea order from Whittards that got lost and they had to resend it, so I can keep a track of things like that. I am a little bit old-fashioned and I do still like to write things down, so even though you get your email confirmations and stuff like that, I just like to jot in there and then tick it off. I'll jot in here the day it's ordered, an order reference, where it's come from, what it is that's being ordered, the day that they've told me it's due to be delivered, and then I can tick it off if it has been delivered, or I know to follow up if it hasn't arrived for a few days. Obviously the usual things you'd use a diary for birthdays and anniversaries and remembering that kind of thing. I've also used it a little bit for meal planning, not as much as I was expecting. I generally use a scrap of paper in the kitchen, but it has been quite useful for tracking things like use by dates. I don't have a lot of note paper in here at the moment. I have just got the Louis Vuitton calendar for the year, which my friends gave me for my birthday last year, which was lovely. Organisation is what you need if you want to be a record breaker, Showing my age a bit there. At the end of a hard day of self-isolating, I like to watch a little bit of TV, maybe have a little treat. These are absolutely glorious. I love them. They're stunning. I was turned on to these truffle bites with sea salt. I then went on to discover they make them in caramel and cookie as well. And oh my god, these are really super chocolatey. I think I mentioned these ones before on my self-care pamper, and boy, do you feel pampered. You only need 2 or 3 of these in of an evening. Sorts you right out. Once I've stuffed my face full of loads of chocolate and wine, I like to have some peppermint tea. Now, this is not the bucket that it comes in. These are Tea Peaks peppermint tea bags. I like them because they're so spearminty fresh. The bag looks like some sort of nylon-y thing, but it's actually compostable, so that's always very nice. And they do help to settle the stomach, maybe if you've overindulged of an evening. And I found that they help induce a good night's sleep, which is very much desired with all these crazy dreams that are still going around. And in light of those crazy dreams, my final favourite for June 2020 is my This Works pillow spray. Really lavendery, really calming, really soothing. I generally come to bed at the same time as my husband. I tickle his head while he goes to sleep. I'm either messing around on my phone or reading my Kindle. If I spray this on the pillow just as he's gone to sleep, and then I start to relax while I'm reading, I'll pass out and drop the Kindle on my face, as I have mentioned in a previous video. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it maybe gave you some ideas of things that you could try out to get you through these strange ongoing times. And let's see if I'm still in love with any of these things come July 2020's favourites video. Who knows? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it the thumb. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye. Oh my god, so good. So good.